The collaboration between the United States and Australia is ushering in a new era in unmanned aerial systems, UAS, with a primary focus on advancing air combat technologies. At the forefront of this initiative is the MQ-28A Ghost Bat, an autonomous, AI-powered stealth drone developed by Boeing Defence Australia in partnership with the Australian Department of Defence, DoD, supported by Boeing's US team. This next-gen aircraft is designed to work seamlessly alongside manned fighter jets, marking a significant shift in how advanced military capabilities are co-developed and co-produced by allied nations. The MQ-28A Ghost Bat is the product of Australia's Loyal Wingman program, which began as a national project and has since evolved into an international collaboration. This combat drone is set to enhance the operational flexibility of air forces by integrating cutting-edge technology from both Australia and the US. Boeing Defence Australia is leading the design, production, and testing of the drone, while US teams contribute AI, autonomy software, and integration technologies based on their own research efforts. Flight tests for the MQ-28A are expected to conclude by the end of 2025, with the final phase involving the drone's integration into real-world combat scenarios alongside crewed aircraft, such as the F-35A Joint Strike Fighter and the E-7A Wedgetail Early Warning Aircraft. This will test the Ghost Bat's ability to participate in joint missions for surveillance, targeting, and strike operations as part of an integrated air combat strategy. Measuring 11.7 meters in length and boasting a combat radius of over 3,700 kilometers, the Ghost Bat is a versatile unmanned platform designed for a range of roles including intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, electronic warfare, and offensive operations. Its stealth design and internal payload bay allow for flexible mission adaptation, while its modular construction supports rapid reconfiguration based on mission needs. The drone can operate autonomously or under the control of a pilot in a manned aircraft, enhancing both survivability and tactical effectiveness. Significant funding from the Australian government has further accelerated the development of the MQ-28A, with a $399 million Australian dollars investment to enhance key systems like sensors, mission payloads, and flight controls. This funding will also help in building 3 additional Block II aircraft, complementing the existing fleet of 10 MQ-28A Block I drones. The transition to Block II signals the program's shift from experimental to scalable, operational capabilities. This U.S. Australia partnership is reshaping defense innovation by aligning industrial and technological efforts to create next-gen combat systems. Boeing's collaborative approach, combining rapid prototyping and iterative testing with strategic planning, sets a new standard for how allied nations can share resources and expertise to develop cutting-edge military technology. The MQ-28A has drawn attention from the U.S. Department of Defense, which views it as a potential model for its Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) initiative under the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. While tailored to Australian needs, the Ghost Bat's design, autonomous capabilities, and mission interface offer valuable insights for the U.S. military, especially regarding interoperability in the Indo-Pacific region. Overall, the MQ-28A Ghost Bat represents not only a major leap forward in autonomous air combat technology but also exemplifies how international partnerships can drive the future of warfare. As flight testing progresses and production expands, the Ghost Bat is poised to become a cornerstone of global unmanned air combat operations, reinforcing the strategic value of cooperation between allied nations in defense innovation.